we have the two fan coil units. Actually, we have three. So I will create a condensate drain pipe running from this side to this side, and will discharge the condensate drain outside the building on the external area of the building. So I will run it here, from here, here. Let's check the section. What will be the height that will be that we need to connect to the piping. So this is the condensate drain pipe. Here is a 25 mm out. So the height of this is, let's measure it. So later we don't have any issue with the condensate drain piping. It's about 3.2. So we're going to run our pipe at 3,150. So hopefully from here to here, with a slope of 1%, it will be less than 150. So we don't clash with the ceiling level. So here is our third FCU. So let's go back to the mechanical plan. Here we're going to run a 40 mm diameter pipe, which is using PVC pipe. So let's go to system pipe, and let's use a PVC pipe. So the middle of the frame will be about 3.2. The pipe. So let's go from here and up to this level. So it's going to go outside, and it will drop to the elevation of about about 100 from the finished floor level. Hit enter, hit apply, hit OK. Now it's going down to the floor level. If we look at in 3D, it is shown with this represented by this pipe. Let's have it in a pipe. So the pipe is here, 40 mm, it's running to here and going into that space. Then you can tap this open end by selecting tap open end, so it will automatically close it. Condensate drain pipe will connect here and slope downward. Now let's assign a slope here first. Let's have it slope at 1%. Apply and click finish. Now let's go to mechanical and let's see the elevation of the pipe on this area. Sometimes it's on the opposite side. So this one is still 3.2 and this one is 3.2. So let's apply slope here. 1%. Now let's remove this connection first. Let's assign. So let's just remove the connection. The elbow. Let's select this as slope of 1%. Hit apply and okay. Let's save it with the elbow. So 3.435. Now it's in the opposite direction. Let's check this. Let's set it -1. Sometimes the -1, so it will be on the opposite. So this is the high level and it's going down to this low level. See, we have reached 2964, so we need to increase this height to 3250. So we won't be clashing with the ceiling level. So let's set this again, only let's say 1%. So it's about 3014. Actually we can also make it at 0.5. It's not that difficult. So let's have it 0.5 and let's make it 31p, or let's set this to 3.2. As long as we have a slope, there's no issue because there's no flow in this area. So 0.5. It's not as high as we have, so let's go and still above the ceiling. Then let's connect these two pipes by selecting the fillet. Then it automatically connects. Now we have this pipe and this pipe to connect. So this pipe is a 25 mm diameter pipe. This is the drainage. Typically we will have a T-trap, but in this exercise we'll just connect it as it is first. to this pipe. Let's show it in fine. And it's a little bit hard to see, but we can see the pipe from here to here with the piping connection. Here we can also do the same. Actually, you can select here, select on 3D, select here 25, and connect it. You can have some, you can move the offset if you want away from the connection, so it looks much better. So later we'll arrange this, but we'll use it at 45. Then we'll connect another drainage pipe here, and let's connect it. So here you can see that the pipe is for reducer from 40 to 25 mm, and then immediately we offset. So let's move this. Let's use this. We have to raise this part first. Raise this elbow. Raise this elbow. And let's place a pipe. PVC. And the pipe from here, 25 mm. Okay, let's go to the mechanical plans. And let's set a section from this side so we can connect it properly. We have it here. So let's have it. Cut the section from this side or from this side. Let's set the section. Let's increase the section, this crop thing, to incorporate all the views, and let's set it to shaded. Let's set it to fine. Now we have the piping connection from here to here, so that's a pipe of same elevation as this. Then let's go for a 45-degree connection. Here we can erase this and this, erase here, and let's just fill in to connect the offset. So now we have a proper offset for the connection, 25 mm to 40 mm condensate drain pipe. So we did it on the section. Go to level 1 again. Let's copy this section and place it here. We're going to arrange the second drain pipe. So we have also an unusual connection. So actually this is acceptable, there's no issue here, but it looks unnice. So let's move this, erase, erase, and let's move this further down. Let's go to system, pipe, and let's connect it here and here. So now we have a proper offset from the range. Typically we'll have a P trap here or a U trap, but we're not going to create it now. We're going to do it later. We create another family just for the U trap. But the U trap looks almost, let's cut this pipe. Let's do a skip element. Okay, let's do the skip element here. Typically a P-trap, let's erase this, let's erase this. So you're going to have a pipe, 25 mm, typically there will be a 50 mm depth, or 75 mm, and then create here. And then you will rise up again, but not higher than this pipe, so it will be less shallower. And you will connect with this pipe. So let's do it here. Erase here, this here. Actually, you can push this out. You can also fill in this. It doesn't work, so let's don't do that. Let's connect the pipe here, here, here. So we have a proper offset connection. So this is a U-trap for the condensate thing. The purpose is this is always filled with water. So the water will seal this path for the tube, and there will be no backflow of foul air into the pipe. So once there is enough water level accumulated in the drain pan, it will push this water by gravity, overcoming this height, and it will be pushed out and through the condensate drain pipe. So So this is how to create the condensate drain pipe system in Revit. So here we're going to, we have deleted actually the pipe, so let's create a pipe. Let's place it manual, but this one should be 40 mm. Anyway, in a 3D view, it's much preferred we do it on 2D, but we'll just do it for this exercise. It's unlikely that we can do it, so let's go to level 1. Let's create a part, connect from here, automatically inherit, connect and inherit size and elevation. Then let's push a little bit, and then let's go to 100. So it will drop down to 100 mm from the finished floor level. Apply, and let's go to 3D. Now, condensate drain pipe typically will have the insulation, so we need to apply an insulation here. Let's just apply a pipe here. Select here, click tab, press the tab until it closes up until it highlighted all pipes. Let's unselect this because it includes the fan per unit. Let's select from here first. Tab, select the piping, and here add insulation tool, click, and let's just use a PVC jacketed glass, let's say about 12 mm thickness or 15 mm thickness for the insulation. Click OK. Here you will see the pipe and the thickness of the insulation. Here we don't have, here is also included. Here we have already included the insulation of the chill of the condensate drain pipe. So that is how to model a condensate drain pipe in the fan control units. Thank you.